how to turn on or turn off auto delete activity for web and app activity tracking on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and then tap on more privacy settings. In here, scroll down, then tap on activity controls. Now we're going to scroll down and then tap on auto delete. Tap on that. In here, to turn off auto delete, you select don't auto delete activity. If you want to use the auto delete feature, you can select auto delete activity older than and tap on the drop down. In here, you can choose a 3 months period, 18 months period, or 36 months period. So select a time period that you would like your Google account to automatically delete your activity. Next, we tap on the next button, and it will say preference saved, and then just tap on got it, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.